Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to talk about the giveaway for this watch here. This is Szanto, the Z is silent, I always forget. Szanto Military Field Quartz, model number SZ1121. This watch was kindly, donated to the channel by Saltzman's Watches. I say donated because it was given to the channel in order to give it away. So it is a giveaway item. I greatly appreciate them sending it over and all the other timepieces they sent over in the past year. Really appreciate that. And I appreciate you guys subscribing and watching this content and commenting. So what we'll do here is 3,000 subscribers. I'd like to hit 3,000 subscribers. So once the channel gets over 3,000 subscribers, I will pick a winner for this watch here. And the rules are simple. Just comment below. I'll do a random comment picker. And also, obviously, please be subscribed to this channel. And if you could go over to Instagram and follow me there as well, I greatly appreciate it. And I'll also leave a link to Saltzman's Instagram and to their website. Go check them out. Show them some support for lending in watches in a couple of giveaways here. So greatly appreciate them again. Let's talk about the watch quickly here and then let you guys on your way. So mineral crystal does have a Japanese quartz movement. The MSRP for this watch is $195, which you're not paying for it, but that's always good to know. 195 bucks is what these normally sell for. 100 meter water resistance. Loom is very good on this watch. The Loom surprised me, actually. Quite surprised by the Loom. And let's see what else. We'll go over the specs. 48.6 lug to lug. 42 millimeter diameter. The thickness on this 11.4. And then lug width 22. And the strap does taper down to 20. And this buckle is removable. There's a spring bar in there, so you could always pop that out, and of course the tang as well. So if you wanted to use another leather strap that's 20 millimeter on this end and 22 there, then you could just use this same buckle and tang. There's a look at the back. A little bit of engraving on there. The SZ logo, which is also present on the crown. Simple push-pull crown. Perfectly fine. You do have 100 meter water resistance. You can kind of get a hint of the Loom here. You know what? I'll end the video with a Loom shot. It's pretty impressive, actually. Simple brushed finish here. I think it looks nice, nicely done. And this is designed after vintage military watches from the 20s to the 70s. All right, let's get this on wrist, and then we'll close out the video here. Today wearing the Oliver Green Mare. Not really worn this watch all at once. This is going to be a giveaway item, so hopefully there's not too much wear and tear on it. Really just put it on for video and pictures. I do have a 6.5 inch wrist, and the strap is a little bit loose for me. So if you have a wrist my size or smaller, you may have to purchase a separate strap. I don't know if you could really punch a hole for this or not, but anyway, just so you know. The only thing I would change about this is sapphire crystal. Quartz is not a big deal. It's nice to have a quartz watch in the collection. You can just grab and go with it. All right, let's zoom out here. It probably, yeah, a little bit big for my wrist, I guess. But I do like the bezel. Reminds me of the old Fliegers, or military style watches. Get the old Swiss Army knife in the background there. I've had that for well over 25 years, something like that. Probably 25 years by now. It's amazing how time flies. All right, then let's pause the video and we'll check out the Loom real quick so you can see what you're getting as far as Loom. I'm actually, like I said, quite impressed with it for a sub $200 watch. All right, there's the Loom on it. Again, quite impressive for a watch that's MSRP $195. So really can't complain about that Loom. All right, that will conclude this video. Again, just comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed, and if you could follow me on Instagram, I greatly appreciate it. As always, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching.